Welcome to Practice Easy English. Phrasal verbs for talking about daily routines. Improve your vocabulary fast. Wake up. Stop sleeping. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Get up. Leave the bed. I get up as soon as my alarm rings. Freshen up. Wash face, brush teeth, etc. I freshen up before making my bed. Brush off. Remove dirt. I brush off the dust from my clothes before getting dressed. Wash up. Clean hands/face. I wash up quickly before breakfast. Put on. Wear clothing or accessories. I put on my favorite t-shirt and jeans. Take off. Remove clothing or accessories. I take off my pajamas before getting dressed for the day. Do up. Fasten, buttons, zippers. I do up my jacket if it's cold outside. Comb through. Run a comb through hair to make it neat and smooth. I comb through my hair and style it properly. Make up one's bed. Arrange the bed neatly. I make up my bed as soon as I wake up. Lay out. Arrange or organize things neatly in advance. I lay out my clothes the night before to save time. Heat up. Warm food. I heat up some milk for my coffee. Eat up. Finish food completely. I eat up my breakfast quickly because I'm in a hurry. Wash down. Drink to help swallow or digest. I wash down my food with a glass of juice. Wipe off. Clean a surface. I wipe off the table after breakfast. pack up. Gather and put belongings into a bag or container for travel. I pack up my bag before leaving for work. Set out. Begin a journey. I set out for work at 8 a.m. Hop on. Get on, bus, train, bike. I hop on my bike and ride to work. Get in. Enter a car or small vehicle. I get in my car and drive to the office. Get out of. Exit a car or small vehicle. I get out of my car when I reach my workplace. Run into. Meet unexpectedly. I run into an old friend on the way to work. Drop off. Take someone or something to a place and leave them there. I drop off my kids at school before heading to work. Pick up. Collect someone/something. I pick up my colleague on the way to the office. Go through. Review or examine something carefully. I go through my emails after reaching the office. Call back. Return a phone call. I call back my clients in the afternoon. Write down. Take notes. I write down important points from the meeting. Put off. Postpone a task. I put off some minor tasks until tomorrow. Carry on. Continue working. I carry on with my project until lunch. Wrap up. Complete or finish something. I wrap up my work before heading to lunch. Sort out. Organize things or solve a problem. I sort out my documents before submitting my report. Hand in. Submit something. I hand in my project before the deadline. figure out. Understand something. I figure out how to solve a problem at work. Meet up. Gather with people. I meet up with my colleagues for lunch. Chill out. Relax. I chill out for a while before getting back to work. Clock out. End work officially. I clock out at 5 p.m. and leave for home. Drop by. Visit briefly. I drop by my friend's house for a chat. Get back. Return home. I get back home around 6 p.m. Wind down. Relax after a busy day. I wind down by reading a book in the evening. Kick off. Begin something. I kick off my evening with a short workout. Work out. Exercise. I work out at the gym for an hour. Cool down. Relax after exercise. I cool down with some stretches. Turn on. Switch on. I turn on the TV to watch my favorite show. Brush up on. Improve a skill. I brush up on my English vocabulary before sleeping. Drift off. Fall asleep gradually. I drift off while listening to soft music. Doze off. Fall asleep unintentionally. I doze off while reading a book. Turn off. Switch off. I turn off the lights before sleeping. Think over. Reflect on something. I think over my plans for tomorrow. Drop off. To fall asleep, usually quickly or unexpectedly. I drop off as soon as I go to bed.